Hello. In this step-by-step guide, we will learn how to use the Western Union payment method to make a payment for your tuition fees on the Unisis site. Let's begin. Firstly, you must log in to your Unisis account. Then, go to your profile page and click on the Payments tab on the left. On this page, select the Western Union payment method. Once selected, check the Terms and Conditions box and then click the Pay Now button. You will then be directed to a form. This form contains important information that you will need in order to complete your payment. With the data that is shown under Option 1 or Option 2, visit a Western Union agent and provide this data to them in order to transfer the necessary funds to Unicaf. Please note that Western Union will only make transfers to Unicaf in Euro. Unicaf will then convert the Euro to USD or GBP and credit your account. The last step is to please ensure that you receive a printed receipt from Western Union and email this receipt to finance@unicafuniversity.com. This will certify that we are able to track and process your deposit without any delays. If you were unable to acquire a printed receipt, please send us an email with your name, student number, payment amount, and Western Union reference number. And that's all you need to do in order to make a payment with the Western Union payment method. Thank you for choosing Unicaf.